Mr. Merkage here, and today I've got a quick video showing you how to use my new website, which is called RBX.Tools. Now this website allows you to earn free Robux just by going on to like offer walls and completing offers, which can be one-click things. You can automatically run adverts, just watch adverts 24/7, you can complete surveys, download apps, anything like that, and you can earn points on our site. And in return for the points, you can cash out Robux instantly to your Roblox account. Now, when you come to our website, RBX.Tools, the first thing you'll be greeted with is this sign-in page. Now, you have to sign in with the username of your Roblox account. So, if your Roblox name is Merk, you use the username Merk. We don't ask for any password, so there's no security threats or something to be worried about. We just need your username, and that's just so we know who to send the Robux to. So I'll just log in as Merk and log in. And once you log in, you'll notice that your Roblox character will be up in the top right, and you've got a link to log out and your profile up there. And up the top we got a few different pages that you can go to whenever you want to. And on the home page, pretty simple. Basic rundown of how the website works and a few stats of the website. So you can see we're coming up to 1,000 offers, and we've nearly paid 30,000 Robux in total in a short amount of time. We've also got the amount of stock that we currently have, which is quite low, and we also have a leaderboard feature. So each month has its own leaderboard. So this month the #1 user is here, and it tells you how much user Robux they earned in this month. So you can see the top 3 are very close together, and the prizes that you win is 1,000 Robux for coming first, 500 for second, and 250 for third. So pretty nice prizes. And in a few days, because we're coming up to the end of the month, this will reset and switch over to the next month. And then we've also got just a video demonstration, which this video will be. This video will be here. So that's that. Now that's just the boring home page. Let's get to the main thing, which is earning. So you click on the earn page, and you've got 3 different ad companies to choose from. Now it's entirely up to you which one you do. There's a lot to choose from, and we'll probably add more in the future up here, but for now there's just 3. And then you can scroll down and select which you want to do, mobile apps and things like that. So you can see, you just install an app, you get 27 Robux. Now once you've gone there and completed an offer, which I'm not actually going to do, once you've completed the offer, your balance will update in real time. So you'll hear like a cash register sound, and your balance will update, and then you'll know that the offer was complete and you've been credited for it. What you can do then is go over to the withdraw page, and then you can click on max, and then or a specific amount you want, but you need to know that you have to have more than 5 in order to cash out. And also you need to join our group in order to cash out. It's pretty simple. You just click that, press join, come back on this page and hit withdraw, and it will cash out. I'm not going to do it because this isn't actually my account, so a random person called Merk will get 60 Robux, but you get the idea of it. And then down here we've also got the recent withdrawals. So you can see this same user here took 67 in total in 3 withdrawals. And then if you withdraw, you'll see your name here as well on the left, and then so on. So that updates as well. And we've also got a referral system. So you can see here that I've referred 2 users which were just nonsense usernames, but what happens is you'll share this link here, or you can use our banner that we got. So you can copy and paste this banner anywhere on the web that you like, maybe on a forum signature or on your website, and make sure to take this link here because the ref code is really important. So if a user clicks this from your image, they will end up here, and every offer they complete and all the earnings they get, you will receive 5% of all their earnings into your balance. So the more you refer, the more you're going to earn for doing nothing. So that's how our referral system works. And we've also got a support page with a few questions and answers that might be important to you. And we've also got a blog as well where we explain a few things. And currently, as of today, the giveaway is live on Twitter, so I'll leave a link to this in the description actually. All you need to do is retweet, like the tweet, follow the Robux.Tools account and tag 2 friends, and then there's going to be 3 winners of 1k Robux each. and then there it is. You just go there, retweet and like. So it's a relatively new post, so there's not much activity there, but if you want a free giveaway, then there you have it. The last thing is your profile, so you can go onto that, and then on this page there's a few statistics about your total earnings on our website. So you can see this account here, Merc, has done 4 offers, earned 4 Robux and took none, and it shows here the top 5 last offers that you completed. So there's no point showing them all here because it will just clutter the page. It will show the top 5 that you've done, when you did it, how much you got, and things like that. And then below that you've got a link to your profile, the Roblox profile, and you've also got a link to Twitter directly, how much stats you earn and things like that. And so that's pretty much it for the website. It's relatively simple. You just have to go to the earn page really and complete some offers. You can do any offers you want as soon as you complete it. Some do take longer than others, and it's important to know that if you do an offer but you don't get credited for it, you'll need to click this support button here. Each website usually has one somewhere on their page, so you'll click that and ask them why. They have pretty good detection if you're lying or using a proxy or a VPN, so try to be as legit as possible when doing their offers and completing the mobile apps and stuff, because they will catch you out, and if you don't get credited and you're wondering why, that is possibly why. So yeah, that's all to the website really. You just earn, complete some offers, you get some balance, and you can withdraw it straight away. Another important thing to note: if you complete an offer that is over 500 Robux, we will place a 24-hour withdrawal hold on your account. That's only because it's highly likely that offer was completed in a bad way, and it's a high possibility that we'll lose that money from the ad company and they'll take it back. So that's the only reason. But after 24 hours, if the balance is untouched, you're free to take it. But anything under 500, you can withdraw that fine. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy it. I will leave a link to the website and the Twitter giveaway in the description. So if you did like it, please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you next time.